it's been quite a journey. I mean, of course, because we had a baby in 2020. So, yeah, right in the middle of the pandemic. But it's been fun. It's been a roller coaster, just like everybody tells you. It was exactly like that for us. I wouldn't say it's been any different. It was tough in the beginning, especially because, we were in a lockdown and all of that. But it was also a beautiful journey. And just the fact that both of us got to be home 24/7, it's an experience I think we would have never had
Yeah.
if not for the pandemic. So in a way, I think we're one of the few people who will say it was a blessing. 2020 is going to be a memorable year for us in a very, very good way, which I don't think there are too many people who will say that, but for us it has been and will
Yeah.
always be special. And it's been really lovely.
Yeah. 2020 has really changed our life. It has changed many people's lives, but our life, it has changed for the better. And in a way, the lockdown and whatever has happened has made, has made everybody be home, right? And that's what's happened to us. We've just been home and spent so much time with our son. So it's been great.
It's been really nice, and what I would say is that it's always assumed, that the mother has the protective instinct, and it just comes naturally when you become a mother. And I completely agree with that. I didn't know how I'd be as a mom when I actually became a mom. It's just something just triggers in you, and it does come very naturally. And which somehow we don't expect men to have, and we say no because they are the father. That's not something that happens. It's a mother's instinct. But I think when we became parents, I don't think that was really the case, because we spent so much time with our child together. I saw so many sides of Ruslan as a father, which I have seen friends, I've seen my relatives, I've seen a lot of people as fathers. They probably are not necessarily like that, or we've not perceived them like that. Maybe we don't know how they are at home with their kids or with their families. And when you've kind of been in that situation, you understand that. Like, I'll give you an example, which happened just a week ago. Like, our son got sick for the first time in 8 months. We thought we had the best child; he'll never get sick, and everything was hunky dory. And he had one night of maybe 2 hours of discomfort because he had a little bit of a cold. And probably I didn't know how to handle it. So, and you think the mother should know how to handle it, take the child and just, the child is fine. Ruslan was like the protective one. He was the calm one. He just handled it that night. I think the rest of the family just had to take a back seat. He just went up and he just did his thing, and my kid was absolutely fine. And it was a beautiful experience to even see that, to feel like, I don't know what I would have done if I was in this alone. And there, the father stood up. The father did it. The father didn't, it's a fatherly instinct, or it was just him. It happens. So it's not necessary that, protectiveness or all of this is only the mother's job or the mother's natural instinct. I think men have it too. You've got to give them the opportunity, not go stand in front of them and say, I've got this. Let them take that stand, and maybe they can. So I've seen that that's happened with us.
My association with Amit has been very interesting. Actually, I've been a fan of his work, and I never got the opportunity to work with him. So when I started following Amit on Instagram, there was a time when he had actually contacted me to do a photo shoot with him. But I saw all the pictures, all the models that he had shot with. They were all just so fit and good looking, and for some reason I thought that I won't do justice to his pictures. Maybe when he'll meet me, or maybe when he'll shoot with me, he might be disappointed, because the kind of people he normally shoots with are just so good looking. So I actually shied away. I didn't reply, or I just kept delaying it. And I wasn't delaying it because I didn't want to shoot with him. I was delaying it because I thought that I need to become better. I need to get better. So I kept delaying it because I thought I was not good enough to shoot with Amit Khanna. Then just years passed, and Amit Khanna became just too big, and he didn't want, I thought he didn't want to shoot with me, because obviously at some point I had shied away from working with him. So through a friend, I informed him that I want to work with Amit. I want to do a photo shoot with him. And then that photo shoot eventually happened. And then I stopped worrying about how I'm going to look and how I look, because I thought Amit will do his job and I just wanted to do a photo shoot with him. So last year we did a calendar shoot together, and this year again we are back doing another calendar together. And this time, obviously, it's the most special shoot of my life because this is the first shoot I've ever done with my son. So thank you so much, Amit, for this shoot, and thank you so much for making both of us and a part of your calendar. So in the calendar, I play the part of protective, like a protector, a father. Usually, you know, with a child and a parent, it's obviously the mother who is known as the protector, but the father in today's time is also very involved with a child. Is very hands-on in every activity. Is not only the provider, is also the protector in a day-to-day, basis. He could be looking after the child because maybe the mother is working and the father is actually at home, which is most of my days also, because there's so many times when I'm at home, I'm not shooting, and my wife is working every day because she has a regular job. So there's so many times that I am also his mother, but that is such an outdated concept, right? Wherein just because you do a few things that the mother does, like feeding him or changing his diaper or making him wear clothes or bathing him, we look at it as a mother's job, but that is necessarily not a mother's job, right? In today's time, that is also a father's job, and that's what I do many days of my life. So I connect with being a mother to a son and being a father as just the same thing, and they're both protectors of the child. Today's shoot was obviously so much fun because with Rayan, he's so young and he's not met that many people in one room. He's not interacted with that many people. So having lights, having like a studio setup, even if it's in your own house, it could be intimidating for a baby. So I was very worried about how this shoot is going to turn out. Is he going to smile? Is he going to become serious? Is he going to cry? But he had a great time, and when you see all the pictures, you'll know that yes, this baby has had fun. Apart from that, we've had fun. Me and Nirali also shot a few pictures, so it was it was like a picnic for us. And what I've noticed is Rayan really doesn't like men. So if he sees like whoever my friends have come home, he meets them and he starts crying. With the females, he's fine. But with Amit, he was very happy. Amit was showing him all the pictures and he was seeing that and he was looking at Amit and he was laughing. So I think in a way I have a model at home. Like Rayan is a model, you know. He likes to see his own pictures and he was happy with his photographer. So thumbs up.